Hello guys and welcome back to our channel I love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing of this latest release from MJ Models. This just reached out to India actually, and I had pre-ordered it with one of the Indian website, and they delivered this stuff this week only. So you can see in the background we have some cool sticker on the back of MJ Model shop and everything. The car looks cool itself. We do not have much on the back, on here on the front. On the back also it's not a lot, but yeah, there's something heavy jabby on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, sorry for that, what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to cut this open. I'm sorry, my camera actually, yeah, it's stable now. So let's cut this open. Okay, yeah, I'll cut it open from here only. Let's pull this out. I do not want to damage anything actually. I just want to pull this out without any, yeah, came out well. Here is your car, and let's pull out this from the sleeve. Let's have a look on the sleeve first. So this is your sleeve. This is the car we were looking at. Looks nice, right? It's kind of safe house kind of they have created, like we used to see in the game itself. It's a nice acrylic case, plastic base, and you can see it says MJ Model M3 GTR E46 here, and this is screwed. So let's open this up. Let's put this here in the back. I have seen this particular sticker on everything, but I'm not sure for what this is. Let's put this here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to unscrew this from the base and resume the video. So give me a moment. So I have successfully unscrewed it, and here is your car. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on the turntable, but before that I'm going to show you the bottom. This is a really nice bottom to look for actually. I really like how they created this silencer here, and it is coming out all the way from, you can see, right? It's right here, just like we have saw in the game. This does not roll, this does roll, and I'm not sure why they don't roll. They should have rolled, because this is a car that deserves to roll. So let's check if it rolls or not. No, it doesn't roll well. So yeah, it feels here, it doesn't roll. It's a good showpiece, show car, but not a car to roll. Now let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look. What a childhood we had, right? Watching and playing this particular game, and now in the adulthood we finally found this car. It's like a dream car even to have a model car of this type. I really like how they created the theme very well and perfectly. You can see the headlights, and you can see the red pull, I don't know what it is called to pull the car, but they put that hook on it on the front. You can see the back looks really cool. In the game it had like the NFS logo on the back number plate, but this one do not have. I don't know why they missed it, but we have a very cool grill and BMW logo on the top of the hood. And if we talk about the back, I really like how well they created this. Man, this is so cool. They have the roll cage inside, the blue roof, the rear view in the inside, you can see, right? and the wheels look really cool. Even though they do not roll very well, they still look cool. I'm going to place this car in my collection, and I'm just gonna love it, man. I just love it already. This is so good, so good. I'm sure if you guys did not have this, you should get it. I mean, what's the point of having all those cars in your collection if you do not have the car you always wanted as a child? Go grab it, man. So that was your BMW from the game Need for Speed Most Wanted, and I have missed showing you guys one little detail which you are not going to see in any other car. And yes, there are various versions of this car from the AR box and many other, but this is the only one that has this opening hood feature and have this cool engine detailing over. I hope you can see that, right? It's not very much, but at least it's better than nothing. You can see the twin turbo, the engine and everything. Looks cool, right? Looks really cool actually. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know if you guys like this or not. See you in the next one. Bye bye.